Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you guys another one of our videos. What we've been working on today is a 2019 VW Polo. So it's an absolute transformation from the car, from what the old ones were. Really nice to drive as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to be showing you a couple of the added benefits that we've added onto this particular vehicle. What we've added in is a front and rear dash cam solution, which is the thinkware system, which we'll show you in a second, as well as the fact we've added in a reversing camera. The cool thing with the reversing camera is that it's integrated into the factory screen. So it looks completely OEM, it looks like it came straight out of the factory. What we're going to do, we're going to show you the rear camera to show you actually what you see from a user, as well as what you can see inside the vehicle and how it displays up on that screen. This car was equipped with front and rear sensors, so already, but missing that factory rear camera, but we've managed to integrate in, and we're going to show you that now. So from the rear camera, we use what's called a Pro-Fit camera. It's a really discreet solution. So what you've got here is you've got the actual camera here, which is a Pro-Fit wedge camera. So it's really discreet. You can't tell that it's not factory at all. It's completely waterproof as well. It's a really nice design and looking camera. So obviously we're zooming in quite closely there to see that camera. When you step back, you can't really tell at all. So what we're going to do, we're going to step inside the vehicle now. So this is the brand new dashboard of the 2019 Polo. Really nice. Everything feels really high quality as well. So what we're going to do is a brand new vehicle. It's only done 200 miles on the clock. So VW screen comes up, and when you select reverse, a really nice clear image pops through onto the screen, as well as the fact that if we go back, it automatically switches back. So when you select reverse, what you've also got is full PDC control as well, which is really nice. So what that basically does is shows that the moving active guidelines on there. It's a really clear image. We can also adjust these lines to exactly how you want them to display in terms of location as well. On the VW Polo, we can go right into the bumper, and it goes right central, so you get a really nice, clear, wide image. So gives you a bit of an idea about what the quality and look and feel of the system is. And then as soon as you select drive, it goes back to your normal parking sensor display, and more than easily goes back to your radio as well. As you drive away, that parking sensor would automatically delete itself as well. Up at the top, what you can see is the dashcam solution. So this is a really high quality dashcam as well. So it's front and rear. The front and rear system comes with a 32 gig SD card as standard. We've done quite a few videos on that that dashcam in particular. But what today we're mostly going to be focusing on is this reversing camera. So it goes to the width of the screen, which is really nice. So it's a really good and effective solution. If your brand new car hasn't come with a factory fitted reversing camera, don't worry, you can have it practically exactly the same as what you're going to be getting from the factory. One thing to note when we're looking into getting the system for you, we need either to see the vehicle or pictures of your dashboard. And on VWs, what we need a picture of is inside the glove box. What we're looking for is 2 SD card slots in the glove box, which basically means that you have what's called an MIB2 system. So that's what we're looking for. So if you send us pictures from inside the glove box, as well as your screen with your menu on, so we can see exactly what it's going to be looking like, so we can get the right module to integrate in for you. So that's the system. Really pleased to be able to do this sort of thing to cars. So the modules actually come from a company called Nav TV, so we're an approved authorized installer for them. Really high quality modules, and then we use a Pro-Fit wedge camera. So thank you very much for watching our short video. My name is Ardil, and I'm really proud to be showing you this install. So it's a 2019 VW Polo. We've added in a front and rear dash cam solution along with an integrated reversing camera. On this system, we can also add in a front camera. So if you're looking into reversing cameras for that matter on any vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll let you know what sort of information we need to get the best solution for your vehicle. So thank you very much for watching again, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Thank you.